Hi, Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. My name is Muhammad Zafar Haikal bin Zulkifli. My number metric is S878. I will be your news presenter for subject Management Information System K3. So, let's start it. The rise of AI-powered scam in Malaysia. Good morning and welcome everyone. Today, artificial intelligence or AI is changing the world rapidly. AI helps people in education, healthcare, business and communication. However, criminals are now abusing AI technology to commit scams and cybercrimes. In Malaysia, AI-powered scams are becoming increasingly dangerous because scammers can now clone voice, create fake videos, and manipulate victims emotionally. This situation has created a serious digital trust crisis in society. In this report, we will analyze how AI contributes to modern scam, why victims become vulnerable, and what action can be taken to protect the public. AI-powered scams are cybercrimes that use artificial intelligence technology to deceive people. Scammers use technologies such as voice cloning, deepfake videos, AI-generated image, and automated chat system. Unlike traditional scams, AI scams are more realistic and difficult to detect. This is because AI can imitate human voice, facial expression, and conversation very accurately. As a result, many victims trust the scammers and transfer money without proper verification. The first case involved an AI voice cloning scam. A victim received an emergency phone call from someone who sounded exactly like his daughter. The caller claimed that she had been involved in a serious accident and urgently needed money for hospital treatment. Because the voice sounded emotional and realistic, the victim immediately transferred thousands of ringgit. Later, the victim discovered that the call was actually made by scammers using AI voice cloning technology. The scammers may have obtained the daughter's voice recordings from social media videos. Psychological factor. This scam was successful because the scammer manipulated the victim's emotion. Fear, panic, and emotional stress caused the victim to act quickly without verifying the situation. The technique is known as emotional manipulation. To prevent this type of scam, families should create secret verification codes and confirm emergencies through video calls before transferring money. The second case involved deepfake investment scam. Scammers created AI-generated video using the face and voice of famous Malaysian public figures. This fake video promoted investment platforms that promise guarantee high profit. Many victims believe the advertisement because the video looked authentic and convincing. At first, victims saw fake profit in their investment account. However, when they attempted to withdraw their money, the scammer demanded additional payment before disappearing completely. This scam targeted victims through greed and fear of missing out, what we call it FOMO. Many people wanted quick financial profit and trusted the fake public figure shown in the video. Before investing money, users should verify investment company through official authorities such as Bank Negara Malaysia and Securities Commission Malaysia. The third case involved AI-generated romance scams. Scammers use AI-generated profile pictures and automated chat system to create fake romantic relationship online. Over time, emotional trust was developed between the scammers and the victim. Later, the scammers requested money for a fake emergency, medical problems, or investment opportunities. Because victims felt emotionally attached, many transferred money voluntarily. Psychological factor: loneliness, emotional attachment, and trust were major psychological factors in this scam. Victims often believe they will help someone they love. How to prevention? Users should avoid sending money to online partners without proper identity verification. Reverse image search and video call can help identify fake profile. Artificial intelligence has made scams more sophisticated and dangerous. Traditional scams were usually easy to identify because of poor grammar and unrealistic message. However, AI scam can now produce professional conversation, realistic video, and clone voice. AI also allows scammers to target thousands of victims automatically through social media and messaging platforms. As AI technology improves, detecting fake content becomes increasingly difficult. Several Malaysian authorities are actively fighting cybercrime and AI-powered scams. The Royal Malaysia Police investigates online fraud and scam activities. Meanwhile, Cybersecurity Malaysia provides cybersecurity awareness and digital protection program. In addition, Bank Negara Malaysia monitors suspicious banking activities and financial scams. The Malaysian government is also strengthening cybersecurity laws and public awareness campaign to reduce online fraud. Cybersecurity framework. To protect society from AI-powered scam, a cybersecurity framework should be implemented. The first is awareness. Public awareness campaign must educate citizens about AI scam and online safety. The second is verification. Individuals should verify suspicious calls, message, and online identities before transferring money. The third is technology protection. Organizations and banks should use AI-based fraud detection system to identify suspicious activities. And lastly is enforcement. Stronger cybercrimes laws and faster investigation are needed to punish scammers effectively. Policy recommendation. The Malaysian government, such as MCMC, should introduce stricter regulation for artificial intelligence technologies. Social media platforms should also improve their system to detect and remove deepfake content. Cybersecurity education should be introduced in schools and universities to improve digital awareness among young people. In addition, cooperation between government agencies, banks, and technology companies is important and to strengthen national cybersecurity. In conclusion, artificial intelligence has brought many benefits to society. However, when abused by criminals, AI can become a powerful tool for deception and cybercrime. Therefore, awareness, cybersecurity protection, and responsible use of AI are essential in protecting digital trust in Malaysia. Technology should be used to improve society, not to exploit innocent victims. Thanks for watching.